See that for the fans, the last is happy, even though they consider doing this whole so consistent. Dembele has been around, he's done well, got him close, and this time round, look, if we deny it, it'll be very, very hard. So I think this is the young man. PSG man should get him. He's done well, but I don't think he should be able to change. Let's look at these two players. Total contribution, match-winning performances. Like I said, Dembele has been around and he's been consistent for several seasons, right? I mean, as well, he's coming up, but he's got many years ahead of him, so I still go for Dembele. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What's your opinion on the Ballon d'Or?